Write your names. Those are the words from God.
Thanks be to God.
Senior 6 in 2009.
People, they have red press soda.
This is Salama School for the Blind. It is a school for children with visual impairments. Now we enroll blind children and those with low vision who can see something little but can't use brains. Others are totally blind. We have children from different parts of Uganda. And in 2022, we got a tragedy here where our 12 children perished in fire. The girls' dormitory was burned. And up to now, we don't know who banned those innocent children. We have some two who survived. Have you seen the annex? Yes. Those who were carrying what? A bunch of matoke. Yes. I've told Annette to carry. Yes, Annette is one of them. And it was by the God's grace. They could not really recognize a child, that this one is my child, you know. And what they did was DNA in the hospital. They took the children, they did. That's why it took 2 weeks to bury it. You know, these children here, I'm telling you, most of them are being taken for by the guardians, more so the grannies. We need a lot of guidance and counseling. Yes. We don't have security. Number one. We are still in a dilemma. Ate abalala okugenda mu secondary nakyo kizibu. Abaana okugenda mu secondary omuzadde kizibu.
Was a child madam Chatabagambye, one of the challenges, the emotional support. Yabana banobeta go by these skills. Chwabera wano chibachi never moving out there. Abasinga abera kinonga ikweyiza. So I know that training in our capacity we carry what we can do. But then we know that the ambassador of faith. We will need to know what you get. Stories are normal when we go somewhere to tell the story. You never know any of the story. Kufumbira kwa ati wado tena msomesa ufumba. Eno tibe. Atena msomesa.
Mani akikoza ati singa muntu yenetsa munengege. Kubira boda.
Siguen.
St. Bali ku ddembe ttiimu yonna twalonda lino essomero okujagulizaako wamu naffe nga tujjukira Father Biagioli yatandikawo St. Bali ku ddembe. Tuli wano olwa Father Biagioli olw'okuba nti yatandikawo St. Bali ku ddembe ate nga yafa mu mwezi gwa April. Netusalawo nti guno omwezi gubeere gwa njawulo mu bulamu bwaffe. Mu ngeri eyo twalonda lino essomero Salama School of the Blind. Netusalawo tujje tubeereko nammwe tusanyukireko nammwe wamu. Twebaza Katonda, tukwasa essomero lino tuliteeka mu mikono gya Katonda, Omukama abakuume.
Great. But I thank you people. The St. Bali ku ddembe omulimu gwe mukola Salama. Father Salama ffe tukitegeera. Kubanga you people.
I'm